Hey, stop! 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 Now! Stop! Watch it, shots fired! Shots fired!
Officers assigned to Topanga Division Patrol responded to a radio call of an assault with a deadly weapon suspect armed with a handgun in front of a hotel located on the 21,800 block of Ventura Boulevard. Here's the 911 call and radio broadcast from this incident.
Yes, there's a guy right here. He just put a gun out on me. He's acting aggressive. I'm at the Best Western Hotel on Ventura. I'm sitting in my car. I asked him what he was looking at.
What's the address for the cross street?
I don't know. It's Ventura.
Okay, let me see if are you seeing your
30 Ventura.
Okay, and that's the Best Western. This guy is in a car?
No, he's walking here right now. He's walking down Ventura with black shorts, black shirt, black backpack, black shoes, black socks. He just stopped in front of the fish place, something fishy. He's standing in front, he's walking past something fishy.
Okay, stay on
He has
the
a silver automatic firearm.
Is he white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
He's white,
About how old is he up here?
about 32, 35.
Stay on the line with me while officers get there, please don't disconnect.
Topanga unit, CDW suspect there now. Ventura at the Best Western, suspect male, white, 32 to 35 years, black shirt, black shorts, black socks with a black backpack, armed with a silver semi-automatic handgun. It's code 3 incident 2220 and RD 2187. Topanga units, addition on the ADW suspect there now. Ventura at the Best Western. The PR is in front of the location in white Prius. Still has a visual of the suspect. The suspect's now behind the Copper Mine restaurant in the alley. 21L40, the suspect pulled the gun out on the PR while they were in the parking lot of the Best Western. The PR saw the silver semi-automatic handgun.
When the officers arrived to the area of the call, they located the suspect in the parking lot of a shopping center. The officers gave the suspect commands, but he refused to comply. The suspect pointed a handgun at the officers, resulting in an officer-involved shooting. The suspect was not struck by gunfire and taken into custody. No officers were injured during this incident.
21X3 on code 6 to the hospital.
Hey, stop! 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 Now! Stop!
Behind you.
Watch it, shots fired! Shots fired! Get out of the car! Get your hands up now! Fucking hands up! Face the fucking wall! Face the fucking wall! You shoot, I'll fucking kill you!
Get the fuck on the ground!
Get him on his knees. Get on the fucking ground. Hands on your head!
Hands on your head!
Hook him up. You move, I'll fucking blow your fucking head off! Do you understand? Fucking blow your fucking head off!
Stand up. Stand up. Spread your feet. Spread your feet wide.
Investigators recovered Colby's handgun at the scene and booked it as evidence. Investigators discovered that the handgun was a ghost gun. Ghost guns are firearms manufactured without serial numbers and require no background checks for purchase, making them untraceable to law enforcement authorities. Ghost guns are generally homemade from polymer plastic or metal that needs minor modifications to make them operable. On June 2, 2021, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Colby: 2 counts of attempt murder on a peace officer, 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm on a peace officer, and 1 count of felon with a firearm. Patrick Colby is a 38-year-old resident of Los Angeles.